Okay, now folks, this is the National Data Buoy Center Ship Observations Report. They report rogue waves in the ocean. They also are ship observations as well as buoys. But this is just the ship observations. Right here we have a rogue wave, 247.4 feet high at minus 9.9 and minus 31.9. Now that wave height, that 247.4 foot, that's the column for the wave height in feet. Right there it says WV is wave, HT is height, and FT of course is foot. Wave height in feet. And that first one there is 247.4 feet. There's another one at 44.9 and minus 48.2, 247 foot, 0.4. That's 4/10 of a foot. That's 2. Mind you, I've been watching this site for about 4 or 5 years now, and I have never seen that many 200-foot waves. In fact, there's been almost no 200-foot plus waves in the 4 years that I've been watching this site, until just here recently. Maybe 3 years ago I seen a couple of 260 footers, and that's the only ones that I've seen over 200 foot. And with the these rogue waves are really ramping up, and it has me concerned. I think it might portend, there's one right here, 245.4 feet. The GPS coordinates is 61.2 and minus 56.9. 245.4 foot. That's 3. I've been seeing anywhere from 5 to 10 200 plus foot rogue waves on this website in the last few days. I've never ever seen that many that high before. There's one right here. 243.4 foot at 61.1 and minus 55.8. What's that, 4? Yeah, I think that's 4. It seems to me that the birth pangs are getting closer and closer together. And as I said, I think that portends some kind of real close by big move of God. Here's 2 more. Here's 5 and 6. A 240.8 foot wave at 61.0 and minus 54.7. And a 241.5 foot wave at minus 10.8 and minus 30.1. Now you can go on, and I think that's probably the last of them. That's 6. And this is just the last 12 hours. Now I live near the Gulf of Mexico, and our waves are usually 2 to 4 foot on a normal day. Now that's it. So you can see that the Luke 21:25 says the sea and the waves roaring. We're headed there right now. It's very, very close, I think, the next big judgment of God. Now the last one was last year on March 11th in Japan. I think we're coming up on another one now. And it's my personal opinion, and the opinion of a lot of other folks, that all these rogue waves, volcanoes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and all the rest is being caused by the what the Bible calls wormwood. The Bible calls it a star, and it calls it wormwood. Now the liberal politicians want you to believe that this is being caused by global climate change or global warming or global cooling or whatever they want you to think it is. No, it's being caused by this star out there in our galaxy flying around. Now its next nearest flyby is somewhere around August 17th or 18th. That's why we're getting all. I think that's why we're getting all these rogue waves, because it's getting real close. The closer it gets to the Earth, the more these oddball things are going to ramp up. These hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanoes, and all the rest. So I think it's time to prepare, folks, for another judgment of God. I don't know where it's going to hit. I don't know exactly when it's going to hit. But I think it's pretty close. That's it. Grey Eagle is out. But I'll be back.